Hey everyone, I'm going to the mountains. I'm going to Boone and Blowing Rock, North Carolina, and I'm going to be glumming it in a teepee. Look at the beautiful colors. I stayed in that one, the blue one. It was very cozy. Has a queen size bed in there, table and chairs. The only thing is it's going to be 30 something tonight, so I'm moving to the cabin. Another reminder, always check the weather. I did that, and that's why I switched my plans from car camping to staying in the teepee, and then I had to change again to the cabin. This is the inside of the cabin. It's got a little bedroom. It's got a little half bathroom commode, closet. It has a fireplace, electric, and the bedroom has an extra little space heater as well. The kitchen next to the living room area, has a microwave, a mini fridge, and a sink. Some cabinetry up top, a door to the back. Nice little porch. This is the living room area next to the kitchen. And the fireplace is in front of it. And outside you have a rocking chair, and inside you have a rocking chair. Very open with plenty of light. And they also built it with salvaged wood, which is very nice. Got a big window looking out. Very pretty. So here I am. I switched to the cabin, and I'm happy that I did. There's like 40-mile-an-hour gusts out there, and it's raining, and it's cold. This is the life. Sitting at the fire, having a tea. There's a lot to do in the area in Boone and Todd and Jefferson. You also have their hiking trails. They have a lot of hiking trails with a pond and a creek. I'm going to try to do that tomorrow or the day after. So I'm going on the hiking trails that they have here at the campgrounds. There's supposed to be a beautiful valley over here, so I'm going to go check it out. So there's a lot of debris on the ground from the winds that we've had here lately. Beautiful trail. A little steep. Coming back up. A lot of birds chirping, very peaceful. It's a beautiful day. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. It's quite steep getting up here, But good for me and great to be out in nature, getting some exercise and so forth. I'm a little winded, have a little bit of a head thing going on from all the wind and the cold up here. But, so I apologize for the sniffling and so forth. Oops. Trying to get to see that valley. These trees are gorgeous. Almost like a little vortex right here. Got the rhododendrons. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning. Hope I'm going the right way. So what I thought I was on the blue trail going to the valley, but I must have picked up the yellow trail somehow, and now it's leading me back to the blue trail. And then we have the gray trail over here, pretty steep. So I think I went too far, so I'm going to head back down. I somehow missed the valley and missed the pond. So heading back down, all downhill. I climbed quite a bit. It was pretty steep. Well, now I know I can do it. It feels good. So I'm going back down and see if I can find that valley and that pond. And if I can't, I'm just going to head back home. So we'll see. So I made it back down to the valley. This is stunning. There's a little bridge across the creek right there. This is one of like a semi-primitive campground that you walk into. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Man, after spending an hour getting lost, going up the wrong trail, I made it down here. Yeah, I did way too much climbing. I shouldn't have had to climb that high to find the valley, which really, if I had my bearings straight, you'd know that you go downhill to get to a valley. It's all a journey. I did see some beautiful trees up top, so it wasn't a wasted trip. Yeah, here's the outhouse and the water area that I was told to find, and I went the wrong way. I went on a steeper trail. Here's the beautiful creek. Wow, that's gorgeous. Wow, there's the pond. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous, gorgeous day. Well worth it. So look what I ran into. Isn't he cute? Or she? Is it a she or a he?
It's a she.
Oh, she's so cute. This wonderful guy. Let me see his wonderful little blue Australian healer, right? Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, buddy? Oops. Here, look at the camera. Look. What's her name?
Hazel.
Hazel, you're so cute. Going down to the creek. and to see, going down to the creek to walk across the bridge, creek bridge. Ooh, it's not very sturdy. They're very pretty. So here's the beautiful pond. Isn't that gorgeous? This whole place is gorgeous. Look at that. And you can camp right here if you want. They'll haul your stuff in for you, which is so cool. I might do that one day. Stunning. So it's all uphill from here. Yep. Should be fun. See you at the top. Jefferson in front of us. You can actually drive to the top of it. There's a cliff up there. Got some great views. Going into Jefferson and West Jefferson. It's a town. I used to have a cabin in West Jefferson. I love this little town. It's so cute. These towns are adorable. So this is Jefferson, famous for their cheese factory. This is the New River. Second oldest river in the world. The Nile is the first. This is in North Carolina, in the mountains, near Jefferson, North Carolina. Beautiful. Years ago, we used to canoe down this river. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already and want to see more videos, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell below to be notified next time a video is posted. Continue exploring.